Yes, brother, as you were telling me about your hobbies, so keep continuing.
Yeah, actually, I am telling about my hobbies, and I have told that I like to read books, and somehow in free times, like I like painting also, and I personally believe that I am a good painter, and somehow I want to become a freestyler. Yeah, a freestyler can do anything. That's my personal opinion, because I know that a freestyler can do the technical work also. A freestyler can do painting also. A freestyler can become a sports person also. So in every field, in almost every field, whether it is in sports, whether it is education, whether it is in something else, I just want to become a freestyler, a good in everything. But I want to become the best in business only. So that's all about my hobbies. So Kunal, your next question.
Yes, brother, from your walk and talk, from your spirit and soul, you seem like you're really enthusiastic about business. What is the best thing that makes you interesting in big business?
It's a very important question. Yeah, it's a very serious topic. To become a big businessman, I want to. First of all, I believe that we should have the interest on doing anything. Whether you want to become a business or businessman or something else. If you want to become a successful IIT engineer, then you have to be like that only. You have to become a technical expert in your laptop, and you are right now we are using the mobile phones. That somehow, how can we make something new type of software for those who are making YouTube channels and
Please go.
okay. Sorry for the interruption, guys. Since
Is everything
they
fine, Anjali? Okay, please go. It's alright, brother. Nothing. That doesn't matter.
okay, sorry for the interruption, guys. But I'm saying that somehow the interest is the biggest thing to achieve anything, and the reason behind is that I want to become a big businessman is the only reason. That is my interest and only interest. From last 5 to 6 years, I am handling my father's business. It's a very something surprising answer from my side. Yeah, it's a reason behind is because I have a best and a lovely interest on the business, and slowly I just at the age of 15 or 16, I just handling my father business, and just cooperating with him with his in his offices, in factories, etc, etc. Through this I am also getting the marketing values that are teaching in colleges and universities. I am also gaining the best education, marketing education through this. And something I want to say regarding this: if you have an interest in any field, whether it is in engineering line, whether it is in businessman line, whether it is in something else, if you want to become a doctor, become first of all become uh, a good physician, know about the knowledge of medicines. If you want to become a doctor, you should know that which medicines is useful at that time. You should know about the name of the medicines, as because the name of the medicines are very typical to speak first. So like that, if you want to achieve a good goal, a best successful achiever, you want to become a dream planner and a interested person of your field. Thank you, guys.
Okay, I have some more curious question to answer you.
Okay.
So let's ask you. Yeah. Do people take it in surprise when you tell them, yeah, I'm a businessman? Or do they get surprised? Why do they get surprised? What is the reason? And how you feel at that time when they get surprised?
Yeah, because they can get surprised because this is not the age of handling the business. This is the one of the most important answer for this question. Actually, you have asked. So I believe that at this age, the students want to only studies from their these from the knowledge that is given from the society and their from parents. They should give students that they should only study. They should not do any social experiment with their self. So somehow it can be a surprising and a really curical thing for themselves that how the student is handling a business at this age. So this is the answer of my this question. Thank you.
Okay. So it's surprising and you handle it very well.
Yeah.
Do you have any question for me? You can also ask me, brother.
I have only one question, that why the people and this society doesn't give opportunity, doesn't give any chances or something else to explore the social market and social experiment, and why they are not giving this type of opportunity to the students at very young age. Is it good or bad? Whether it is a good thing, then I want the reason behind it, or whether it is wrong, then I want to know that why it is wrong for these students at this age. It's my only question.
Storage full. Really? Okay. Show me.